Today I have the brand new Adidas Predator from the Mystic Victory Pack. It's not for everyone. Let's unbox it because it's a little bit different. So first thing to note is a general release. It's not a limited collection, so it just comes in the standard Adidas football box. Here's a look at the label. Pick these up in a size UK 10.5, which is my standard Predator size because they do fit quite small. Normally I'm a UK 10 in most boots. So we'll open these up. They do come with their own boot bag. You can probably guess by the boot bag what kind of colour these are going to be. It has the Predator detailing on the front and the back, and then the drawstrings on the side are in a pink. Very, very bold colours, but for some people that's what they like. So we'll open these up, move the paper to the side. This is them. What do you think? So like I've said, this pair is not for everyone. It is ridiculously crazy and out there. Like, it's hard to even put into words this colorway because it's so bright, so bold. If you turn up on the pitch and you wear these and you play rubbish, you're gonna know about it because people are gonna tell you. I don't think you can turn up in this pair and play bad. That's just my opinion. So the upper is obviously a Hybrid Touch 2.0 upper, and it's in this kind of Volt yellow colorway. Super soft as always, but it's just so incredibly bright. They've replaced the 3 Adidas stripes on the inside and outside with more Predator branding, as you can see, in this kind of a wavy pattern with a kind of 2-color toned look. It's almost like a bluey purple and also a pink overlaying to give that kind of double effect on the Predator. Towards the toe box area, we do have a leopard print, which I actually don't mind. I actually kind of like the leopard print. And then the strike skin itself is in a blue on top, so you can't actually really see it, but I don't actually mind the colors. They actually go quite well together, even though it's incredibly bold. The tongue itself matches the upper, and the blue Adidas logo on top stands out, and more strike skin here on the tongue in that matching blue. The Predator text on the inside is exactly the same as the outside, but is reversed. This pair in particular only came in FG, so this is the only sole plate that you'll see them on. Once again, you have that leopard print at the front, which is kind of pink, and the edges are in blue. What I do find a little bit disappointing is, look how bold the boot is, so bright, so extravagant. And the back part of the sole plate, there's absolutely nothing on it, which I find very weird. This is the only kind of plain, boring part of the boot, which I think they should have done something. I actually think the leopard print should go throughout the entire sole plate, but that would just be my opinion. And also at the back, it just, I don't know, it just looks quite normal compared to the rest of the boot. So with this pair in particular, they've not been shy in telling you it's a Predator. If you actually just look at it from the side, it says Predator here, Predator there, and Predator there. I don't know if that's a little bit too much. There is too much Predator branding on this. I know it's a Predator. I think everybody in the world will know it's a Predator if you put these on. I don't think that's needed, but that's just my opinion. If we lift up the tongue, you do have the Adidas logo in this kind of pale blue once again, but it's embroidered, which I actually do like. I like that. And then on the other side of the elastic, it says Generation Pred, as you can see that, because this Predator is made for the new generation. So I wouldn't say it's meant to be a classic Predator colorway. It's meant for new up-and-coming flare players who are going to wear this, which maybe they are. On the inside of the heel, you'll see the cushioning is in a very, very bright pink, which matches that of the insole as well. So I'll take out the insole from inside. So it does come with paper chutery. And then take out the insole. The insole, once again, are very, very bright. So you can see it's a pink insole with the Predator detailing in that Volt yellow on top. Actually, no hint of blue on that, which I find kind of weird. They just kind of forgot that they put blue on the boot and didn't put it on the insole. What I do find crazy though is that they've gone from a classic Predator colorway like this to this within, I think it was 5 days, the difference between the release, which is crazy to release 2 completely different boots in that small time scale. But what I would say is they do actually look better in person than they do in the photos. I was expecting to absolutely hate these and just not want them at all. But a little bit of me likes them. I like how they look in person. And I don't know if it's just me liking the Predator silhouette or actually liking the colorway, or a bit of both. But I don't hate them as much as I thought I would. But let me know down below in the comments, what do you think of this crazy brand new Adidas Predator? Are you a fan? Are you not a fan? Is it too bold for you? Could you pull them off? Let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, this is the brand new Adidas Predator. Very crazy colorway. But thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll do more unboxings and more videos just like this. The new Adidas Predator. Hope you have an amazing day.